He's running a 25-12 3-blade. That is beautiful. That's stupid.
Look at how nice the rolls are. It's like it's on a wire.
Flat.
Or snap roll. Oh my god.
That hurts my neck.
It hurts hurt. Oh, I didn't know if he was going for a rolling loop. Our problem.
What is that, a 2610? I believe it's a 2610.
On the DA85?
If you put a 100cc plus motor, that would just be insane. It's insane to be 85. That's what I want to do. It's 85.
Oh.
I only have one fast servo on that. It's a 7955. Yeah.
How fast are those? Are those .12?
Yeah, that'd be good. Because I want to put some stuff
Yeah. Just for the airframe?
Yeah.
Is it carbon fiber?
No. It's a linear.
There's one of these on there right now. It's like this.
You're going to get just like that guy over there at Tammy's Hobbies who never gets a paycheck. He gets a bill from the store.
That's what I would do. He gets store credit. What color scheme?
I don't know.
This is really starting to hurt my arms.
Did the guy...
Nice.
For whatever reason he didn't want it?
I think it's just because or it was. There's a lot of people that don't think Dave should be back in, but I kind of agree with my dad on that one.
What was your dad's opinion?
Let him in, and then if he
3 strikes, you're out.
again, just kick his ass out forever.
I think Dave needs to come to the club meeting.
And tell us why we should let him back in.
Right, and recognize his errors, the mistakes he makes out here. Like don't come out here.
Take ownership for it.
Don't come out here and open your doors and turn your radio on.
Yeah.
You know, guys don't.
And let your
not
kids run
everybody
loose.
likes that.
And let your kids run loose.
And let your kids run loose.
That just pisses people off.
Go over and try to fix everybody's airplane without asking.
Yeah.
You know, you don't do that. You don't do that kind of stuff.
Yeah, but I mean, a 3 strikes, you're out thing would work.
I don't have any real servos. What are the 5970?
7955s?
645s.
Those are slow.
I know, they're slow.
I just sold Jason some of those.
Yeah. Have a good Christmas, guys.
You too, Dave.
Yeah, good to see you, Dave.
Wow,
He's gonna get out of that new airplane once he gets all his equipment. He's still gonna get his motor and cans. Yeah,
Mike, didn't you get a DX18?
I did.
You succumbed to the peer pressure?
Yeah, no, I'm gonna sell it though. I like my Jennifer better.
You don't like your DX18?
Nope.
How much you gonna sell it for? I'll give you $20.
For people that don't know, I'd like to get at least what I paid for it, which is $670.
Did you get that from Ted?
Yeah.
Where'd the plane go? Where'd it go?
I'll put it somewhere and try to sell it.
Yeah.
Why Clinton's here, popping up.
You know what the problem with those brand new radios is, Mike? You're never gonna get what you paid for.
Nope.
Not brand new.
It's like taking a car off the lot.
I bought it way under retail.
Right, I know.
I get what I did.
Once you walk out of the door, I can get
But I still did good.
Yeah.
I believe I'll be able to get my price out of it.
You should be able to get your money out.
Crap, where is he? My screen's black.
It's not everybody knows Ted. And if I advertise it nationally, somebody.
I'll tell you what, if I got a new radio right now, I'd probably get the 9503.
Why?
I like that.
I like the 9503. It's got more model memory than mine, or I'd get a DX8.
Do you want a 9303?
Is it 2.4?
Yeah.
Is it digital or analog trims? I think it's digital trims.
It's digital.
Or analog.
It's
No,
digital.
it's digital all the
and
way
then
around.
analog on throttle.
Might be analog on throttle.
I don't know if I like that. How much would you sell it for? Here, let's talk about this without the camera on.
I don't know. Two and a quarter probably.
I mean, the thing is,
Bob's got one, he told me it's under $200.
I mean, the thing is, I have my DX7, which is 20 model memory, and I only have 10 models on it, so I really don't need another transmitter right now.
Yeah. You really don't. You don't want one that has 2 flight modes either. You want something that's got 3 flight modes.
What do you mean? Can you go between like mode 1, 2, and 3?
Well, it's just the flight mode switch on the 9303 and the 9503 only has 2 flight modes.
I don't know what that means.
It's a 2-position switch.
Oh, that's what mine is. My DX7
Yeah.
for your rates,
Yeah.
which is why I like the DX8 because it has 3 position switches for rates.
I can set mine up either way.
He's been flying for 11 minutes.